Hi and welcome to another Quick Draw Toons session with me, Al. Today's lesson is going to be how to draw a cartoon monster. For this you'll need a thin black pen. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to start with a nice big circle in the middle here. Don't forget, you can pause the video anytime you like to keep up at your own pace. Then I'm going to draw another circle in the middle here. And inside that circle, another one. And inside that circle, another one. That's the highlights there. Okay, now I'm going to draw another circle up here. Slightly smaller. The same as this one, a circle inside, and a circle inside. And over this side, I'm going to do another one. Try to keep it the same size as that one, if you can. Circle inside, circle inside. I'm now going to do a gentle curve that comes around that side, gentle curve that comes around that side, and then I'm going to join those with a zigzag that goes like this. And then going to do a gentle curve around this side and a gentle curve around this side. And then that carries on just down the side, slightly coming outwards like that. Then a bit of a zigzag. Like that. Detail in here. Zigzag here for the monobrow. And now let's get the mouth. So that's going to be a big smiley curve up like that. And then bring it around like that. Then we'll get one tooth, big tooth there, another big tooth that side, and then 1, 2, 3 in there. Big tooth this side, big tooth that side. Here we're going to get the tongue, so it's going to go like this. Curved, curved like that. And at the back of the throat we're going to do curve, curve back down. Like that. You can colour that bit in now if you want to. Now I'm going to do the arms, so they're going to come out from here, up, from there, and slightly bring it in. Do the same this side, curve up, about here, slightly bring it in, and then for the fingers, go round like that. Round like that, and one more, bring that in there. We can add some little details here as well, like that. And do the same on this side. And then do those little details. That, and then for the body, the monster himself, we're going to do a gentle zigzag that comes all the way round to the point of his chin there, and then we start to go back the other way, like that. You can add a bit of a lip in there like that. And then the legs from about here, curving round, like we did with the arms, starts thick and gets thinner. This side starts thick, gets thinner, and then we do this shape. And you can just get a couple of curves for the toes, like that. And lastly, just adding a few detail pattern spots. That'll make it look even better when you colour. And there's going to be different versions, coloured versions. Now, thank you for watching.